Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 best dropshipping applications for Shopify. Having the right apps installed can single-handedly make or break your Shopify store's success. So in this video, I'm going to be revealing the absolute must-have applications that you need so that you can start using them right now and boost your sales. Some of these tools will help you streamline the purchasing, increase order values, establish trust, recover lost leads, and more. So let's dive right in. And before we get into the applications themselves, if you don't already have a Shopify account, then of course you will need to create an account in order to get these applications installed on your store. And the current offer is that if you create an account with Shopify, you will start with a 3-day free trial. And then after those 3 days, you will lose access to your store and we will have to buy one of these 3 plans right here. So go ahead and save a lot of money if you click on the link in our description box down below and then create an account from it. You will be granted a 3-day free trial and then you will only have to pay $1 per month for 3 consecutive months on any one of these 3 plans right here. It is a temporary offer, so go ahead and grab it before it's too late. Back to the best applications in my opinion, and we're going to start with the automatic currency conversion. This is one hugely overlooked area that causes checkout drop-off and cart abandonment, lacking properly displayed pricing in currencies tailored specifically to your visitors and their geographic location. By default, Shopify stores simply show the primary currency that you can figure everything around as a business owner. So if you live somewhere but you're targeting international traffic or buyers across borders, then having to mentally estimate and convert currency exchanges in their head creates doubt, confusion, and ultimately fails to resonate. And that's why a dynamic currency converter app is an absolute must-have for any globally store owner. You will display the pricing in appropriate familiar currencies relative to the visitor's country that removes any mental math, confusion, and checkout friction. The smoother the checkout process, the more likely the customer is going to follow through with it. And instead of the rough dollar estimates, people see exact localized amounts that they will pay, creating welcome transparency. And this is my favorite all-in-one currency conversion application. It is the best one in my opinion, and it is called the Best Currency Converter. It comes with a free plan and it automatically detects the visitor location and then dynamically switches displayed currencies in real time to match the expecting norms. Number 2 on the list, we have the volume discount applications. And this is how you can ensure that the customers purchase more products per order. If you sell any type of physical products, one metric that you absolutely must be tracking is your average order value. And as the name suggests, it refers to the average amount each customer spends per transaction on your store. Now, if let's say you opened a store and you're selling items at $30 as a base price, then you never ever want your overall store average order value getting stuck down at only $30. And that's where offering enticing tiered discounts or savings in turn for purchasing higher quantities is an incredibly effective way to bump up your average order value. You essentially encourage the customers to grab multiple products per order by pricing bundles with better unit economics. Maybe something like if you buy one, you purchase it for $30 per unit, and if you buy 2, then you will have to pay $25 per unit, and so on. When the customers buy more, they end up saving more and you make more money, so it's a win-win situation. Now, when it comes to the best Shopify applications for flexible volume discounts and tiered order bumps, then I highly recommend Kikify Upsell Volume Discount. It also comes at a free plan. And on the third application, we have Reviews app. So at this point, if you've got the previous 2 categories, then visitors find regionally familiar pricing that they clearly understand, and they also get incentivized with discounts to purchase more products per order. So now it's time to cement the credibility and further establish consumer trust through displaying some kind of social proof right on the product pages themselves. Product reviews and testimonials can massively sway prospective buyer opinions and nudge the indecisive visitors towards ultimately pulling the trigger and actually making the purchase. And that's why deliberately importing and displaying positive sentiment and enthusiastic endorsements from people who actually bought this product establishes immense trust and influential social proof at scale. So my go-to application for quickly getting those authentic review volume to embed natively on product pages is Judge.me. This allows automatically pulling and publishing existing third-party reviews from kind of marketplaces like Amazon or AliExpress right onto your independent store. And you can also filter to only positive feedback, of course, as you don't want 1 or 2 extremely negative feedbacks showing on your store. Coming up next, we have the abandoned shopping carts. The abandoned cart rate is an important e-commerce metric because it represents fresh sales opportunities very close reaching final conversion but is still slipping away due to some last-minute hesitation. And luckily, advanced applications can help you retarget the website visitors even after they disengage so that you can revive these near-lost transaction opportunities. We've got Shopify applications like Klaviyo that brilliantly reconnect the engaged visitors through multi-channel promos distributed via the email reminder campaigns. They send personalized SMS text nudges, Facebook Messenger pings, and the direct mail if addresses are available. So no expensive development or complex sales funnel setup needed either. Klaviyo application includes intuitive drag and drop flows and campaign builders that allows marketers to easily create beautifully designed offers, emails, and advertisement content blocks. And now for the final step, it's keeping new customers happy and satisfied even post-purchase through transparent delivery communication and updates. And for that, we've got the post-purchase updates and order tracking. Uncertainty breeds anxiety without reassurance. What automated steps happen next? Where exactly is my item now? When specifically will it arrive? Or has something gone wrong? There's typically no centralized outlet for direct customer access answering these questions. And so the perfect solution is installing a streamlined tracking application, and the best one that does the job in my opinion is the Aftership application. It allows you to effortlessly capture and aggregate back-end shipping data such as the order processed, dispatch scans, out for final delivery, and so much more. Aftership then displays this milestone progress flow on branded tracking pages that the visitors can conveniently check themselves anytime they want without hassling your team. And that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below, or if you want us to cover any other topic in the future. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to Shopify or dropshipping.